Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best TP-Link Powerline Adapter is probably one of the most convenient ways to extend your internet network throughout your home, offering a reliable and high-speed connection without the hassle of running cables. This simple plug-and-play device uses your existing electrical wiring to transmit data, eliminating the need for complicated setups and providing a stable connection even in areas with poor Wi-Fi coverage, making it perfect for streaming, gaming, or connecting smart home devices. Number 5. TP-Link TL-PA4010 KIT. Experience seamless wired internet connectivity throughout your home with the TP-Link TL-PA4010 KIT. It's the simple solution for extending your network without messy wires or complicated setups. Enjoy high-speed data transfer rates, perfect for streaming HD videos, playing online games, or anything that demands a strong, stable connection. It's that simple. Setup is a breeze. Just plug one adapter into your router and another into any power outlet where you need internet access. No configuration is needed. Transform your home's electrical wiring into a high-speed network. It reaches up to 300 meters, bringing wired internet to any room with a power outlet. Its small size means it blends seamlessly into your home decor. It's smaller than most Powerline adapters on the market. It automatically switches to power-saving mode when not in use, reducing energy consumption by up to 85%. Save money and energy. Remember, they must be on the same electrical circuit for optimal performance and need to be plugged directly into wall outlets, not surge protectors. Other devices on the same circuit may affect speeds. It's compatible with all TP-Link Powerline Ethernet adapters, including AV2000, AV1300, AV1200, AV1000, AV600, AV500, and AV200 models. Please note that it only provides wired connections, there's no Wi-Fi. What we like. It boasts impressive speeds, making it perfect for streaming and gaming. Setup is incredibly easy, just plug it in and go. Plus, it's energy efficient, saving you money on your electricity bill. If you need a reliable, high-speed connection without the hassle, this is the one for you. What people say. I've been a network engineer for over 10 years, and ever since I've dealt with computers, cabling is one of the worst aspects of the job. For the average home user, the only way to get networking from point A to your house to point B is either wired with cabling or use Wi-Fi bridging if the Wi-Fi didn't extend far enough. When Powerline technology came out, it added convenience of using existing power cabling but still was a little flaky and troublesome. But since then, Powerline has jumped leaps and bounds since and is much more reliable, faster. Just like the Netgear adapters, these are essentially plug-play. There were literally no problems connecting these in my house. I went to the living room where I needed wired connectivity and plugged these up to the wall. The TP-Link adapter immediately recognized my existing Netgear Powerline adapters, and the second LED, Powerline LED indicator, immediately lit up. I plugged in my small 10100 switch to it and then my Roku TV up to it, and the third LED, Ethernet indicator, lit up, and the devices could not only talk to other devices on my LAN, but they had internet access as well. I personally noticed no difference in throughput speeds both within the LAN and the internet. I live in a 3-story apartment with 5 guys. The router is dual N-band, Linksys, 2.4 GHz, 5.0 GHz. Most of our devices run on the traditional 2.4 GHz band. Unfortunately, the router is by the TV, microwave, and other electrical appliances. Did I mention we live in a 3-story apartment? Well, I was looking at wireless repeaters for a long time and was getting busy by the number of reviews that contradicted themselves. I decided to stay away from it altogether. But then these products came up and utilized something that's been around for a long time. Powerline technology. I went with the TL-PA4010 KIT AV500, up to 500 megabits per second. On Wi-Fi, I was getting 26 megabits per second, 3.17 megabytes s. Once I connected the Ethernet cable and shut off my Wi-Fi, I opened up the utility and saw my connection speed a whopping 320 megabits per second, 39 megabytes s. Watching Netflix, downloading files, everything, was much faster. You plug each of these into an electrical outlet, not surge protector, you need a constant volt of energy being supplied. You plug in one near your router. You plug in the other near the area you'd like to have internet connection, room, office, patio, etc. Next, you will need Cat5 Cat5e Ethernet cables, you take one Ethernet cable and connect it from the router to the adapter in the outlet. You connect the second Ethernet cable from the second outlet into your laptop PC. You press the square button on the bottom right side, below the blinking lights, of both adapters. This will tell them to look for each other and automatically connect, aka pairing. Produto compris OK permite. Original e consegue trazer o sinal sempre para todos os comodos de casa. Number 4. TP-Link TL-PA7017P KIT. Experience seamless home networking with this Powerline Adapter kit. It's the perfect solution for extending your internet connection to any room with a power outlet. Enjoy data transfer rates of up to 1000 megabits per second. It's fast enough to stream 4K video and play online games without lag. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go. This kit is designed for easy setup, so you can be online in minutes. It provides a secure wired network connection for your devices, perfect for your smart TV, game console, or desktop computer. It features a built-in power socket, so you won't lose any outlets. It's a space-saving and convenient design. It automatically reduces power consumption by up to 85%, saving you energy and money. It's environmentally friendly too. It's compatible with other TP-Link AV Powerline adapters, giving you flexibility to expand your network as needed. It works with a wide range of devices. Remember to plug the adapters into the same electrical circuit for optimal performance. They won't work with surge protectors. What we like. This adapter offers a gigabit port for lightning-fast wired connections, ideal for bandwidth-hungry devices. It's also incredibly easy to set up and features an extra power socket, so you don't lose any outlets. If you need a fast, convenient connection with extra power outlet, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I use this for my aquarium's lights and scheduling on and off times are pretty straightforward in the app. So far so good. The setup was pretty easy, just plug it in, and press the pair button. The connection is stable, and the speed is excellent. I'm getting 100 Mbps download. It's perfect for anyone needing a reliable wired connection without the hassle of running cables. I am very satisfied with this product. First I set it up with one device of the pair connected to my router in my living room and with the other device of the pair connected to an outlet in my garage 50 feet away and connected to a laptop by Ethernet, of course, just as a test that the connection was working, and it was. The laptop accessed the network perfectly. In other words, the laptop got the same quality of performance from the garage through the TP-Link Powerline Ethernet devices as when the laptop is in the living room, 15 feet from the router, and connected wirelessly. Number 3. TP-Link AV2000 Powerline Adapter. Experience seamless networking throughout your home with this high-speed Powerline adapter. It's the perfect solution for extending your internet connection to hard-to-reach areas. Enjoy the full speed of your internet connection with its gigabit port. It supports speeds up to 1000 megabits per second, ensuring smooth streaming and gaming. This adapter automatically reduces power consumption by up to 85% when not in use, saving you energy and money. It's incredibly easy to set up. Just plug it in and you're ready to go, no complicated configurations needed. It's compatible with a wide range of Powerline adapters and uses 128-bit AES encryption to keep your network safe and private. Remember, they must be on the same electrical circuit for optimal performance. For best results, plug directly into wall outlets, avoid surge protectors. What we like. With 2 gigabit ports, it's perfect for multiple devices. It also features power-saving technology and robust data encryption for enhanced security. If you need a high-speed, secure connection for multiple devices, this is the ideal option. What people say. I was able to turn off wireless on my unit's router, ran a cable from the router to the first unit, set up the second unit on an outlet that appears to be one of the last stops in the electrical circuit, then ran a cable to my own router, which let me run Ethernet cables to various devices, laptops, gaming consoles, in my office. Definitely beefed up the speed, so little to no buffering. The connection is very stable and I've had no issues. Functionality, 5 out of 5. It works great. I needed to add a wired IP camera in my detached garage without stringing an overhead Cat5 cable from the house or digging up the driveway. The wired IP camera plugs into the powerline receiver in the garage and there is no detectable signal noise on the camera video. Setup, 5 out of 5. The two powerline adapters pair fast and easy with just a button push on each adapter. One press each and you should never have to pair them again. Number 2. TP-Link TL-PA7017 KIT. Experience seamless wired networking throughout your home with this easy-to-use powerline adapter kit. It's the perfect solution for extending your internet connection to areas with weak Wi-Fi signals. Enjoy data transfer rates of up to 1000 megabits per second thanks to the HomePlug AV2 standard. It's fast enough for even the most demanding online activities. This kit provides a secure wired connection for your devices. Connect your desktop, smart TV, or game console for reliable performance. It's truly plug and play. Simply plug the adapters into your power outlets and enjoy a fast wired connection in minutes. No complicated configurations are needed. It features a power-saving mode that automatically reduces energy consumption by up to 85%, saving you money in energy. It works with all TP-Link AV2000, AV1300, AV1200, AV1000, AV600, AV500 and AV200 PowerPoint adapters. Expand your network effortlessly. Please note that this kit only provides wired connections, it does not offer Wi-Fi capabilities. You'll need at least 2 adapters to create a powerline network. What we like. It offers a gigabit port for fast wired connections and is incredibly compact, making it perfect for tight spaces. Setup is a breeze, just plug it in and go. If you need a fast, discrete connection, this is a great option. What people say. Keep in mind that any powerline adapter is Ethernet only. You cannot use a powerline adapter to extend your Wi-Fi or mesh. This is really good for somebody who really needs a wired Ethernet connection but is too far from the router and doesn't want to run a 100+ foot cable onto the wall floor and around things with a possible signal loss due to cable length. I was surprised to find that it actually worked on its own without any pairing needed. At first I had the router end plugged into the far corner of the living room on its own outlet, but that one was too far and the speed was pretty low. I moved it to a busier outlet that was a bit closer to my room from the living room and still managed to get it plugged in on its own and the speed jumped right back up. They were easy to set up. Used a switch so I could connect multiple devices to a single port. No more Wi-Fi dropouts. Good stuff. Number 1. TP-Link TL-PA7017 KIT. Experience seamless whole home coverage with this innovative extender. It utilizes your home's electrical wiring to deliver high-speed internet to every corner. It offers up to 1000 megabits per second Ethernet over power lines and dual-band Wi-Fi. This makes it perfect for extending your network to areas with weak Wi-Fi signals. Setup is a breeze. Simply press the Wi-Fi button to copy your network name and password. It's that easy. Connect your devices directly for a stable wired connection. Ideal for gaming consoles, smart TVs, or computers needing a reliable connection. It's designed for quick and easy setup. Enjoy a fast, seamless wired or wireless connection in minutes, without complicated configurations. This extender works with TP-Link One Mesh routers to create a unified mesh network. Enjoy seamless streaming as you move around your home. Remember, it needs to be plugged directly into a wall outlet, not a surge protector, and all adapters must be on the same electrical circuit for optimal performance. Other devices on the same circuit may affect speed. It's compatible with other TP-Link AV2000, AV1300, AV1200, AV1000, AV600, AV500, and AV200 powerline adapters. Expand your network effortlessly. What we like. It not only provides a fast wired connection via its gigabit port but also extends your Wi-Fi network seamlessly. Its one mesh compatibility ensures a unified home network. If you need both wired and wireless coverage, this is your best bet. What people say. I have 1 Gbps internet service, and on Ethernet connection, the max download speed that I have seen so far is 980 mbs and the upload around 900 mbs. This thing works, and no slowdown in internet speed for your network, can easily integrate with your existing network and SIDs automatically to keep you connected to best signal wherever you are in your home. It only took a couple minutes to install, one unit connects to router, the other goes wherever you want your signal. Now, I'm getting 80 Mbps through both the Ethernet connection and similar speeds on Wi-Fi. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.